Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Today's video is a bit interesting because I'm using some new products. This is the second time I'm trying to do this tutorial. I had something completely different in my mind, but yeah, we have this dramatic look. I would say it looks a little bit like the Kim K Met Gala look, which is nuts. You know, I didn't do it on purpose. You know, like Makeup by Mario and I have kind of like the same instinct and taste. Anyways, if you guys are wondering how I created this look, then keep on watching. Take two. I had to take everything off because I don't know, for some reason I've used the Versailles Rose Gold Elixir. I actually didn't want to start with the base, so that was mistake number one. But I used this Rose Gold Elixir oil from Versailles because my skin was so dry, and then this happened. So I'm not sure if it's because of the oil, but my face looked so weird. My base, I thought, I can fix it. And then I thought I can fix it. And then I was just halfway into the tutorial and I thought, no, this looks terrible, terrible. So I really didn't like it. So I have to start again. And I thought I'm going to do my brows off camera, make sure I have my eye base on so we can start with the eyes and do the base later on. I was cleaning and organizing my stuff, and then I saw this beautiful glitter liner from MAC. And I wanted to do something with like a glitter eyeliner, maybe like a little bit smoked out, together with like a glass looking eyelid and pink lips. I had this vision in my mind, so I hope that I can, make it reality. So I zoomed you in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to use this super cute palette from Too Faced, and this is a limited edition eyeshadow palette. I'm actually going to use the matte neutral shades because I want my eyeliner to have all the attention. So I'm going to use this beautiful brown shade first. Again, Too Faced. Oh, you smell amazing. And I'm going in with my Sigma diffused crease brush just to have a little bit more warmth and dimension, or else my eyelids, they look really flat. I'm also going to take a little bit of this beautiful mauve kind of color, which is a little bit more of a cool toned eyeshadow, and I think I'm just going to mix it with the brown shade and just smoke it out. So maybe that's a little bit too subtle, don't you guys think? Like it's really subtle. So I'm taking this palette from Dose of Colors. This is Baked Browns, and I think I'm going to try to define it a little bit more by using this color in the middle. Still using the same brush. Yeah, that looks better. So I'm just going to bring the eyeshadow a little bit more downwards because, it's not really going to matter because we're going to clean it up anyways, but just to be sure that that part is covered as well. Now I'm going to do a cut crease, but it's going to look really soft because we didn't use a lot of color on our eyes. And I'm going to use my P. Louise base, and is there a shade? I think this is like the original, and I'm also going to use their cut crease brush. Now I'm going in with my glitter liner. This is from MAC, and this is in the shade A Little Moonlight. Can't stop the moonlight. Does that mean I gain a little bit weight? Look. Thanks for the reminder. I think it's a better idea to go in with a normal liner first. This is roller liner from Benefit, just to make it look more black. Since I have hooded eyes, obviously I need to do like a graphic liner, and I'm going to smoke it out with black shadow later on. I want this eyeliner to look super dramatic, so I'm going in and make a thicker eyeliner. Taking my favorite black eyeshadow, this is from the Balm. It's Meet Matte Trimini palette, and going in with matte on matte right there. And this is like the blackest eyeshadow that I have, and it's really, really good. Do a smoked liner, like a smoked wing. I'm also bringing the black shadow a little bit more in the crease, and this is a brow brush that I'm using, and I'm blending the eyeshadow because I don't want to have like a harsh line over there. So when you have hooded eyes like mine, you just look straight, and then you kind of see where the gap is, like, and where you need to fill in the black shadow. And for me, it's right there. and make it super dramatic. Okay, I wanted to do something else. I actually had something else in mind, but you know, we can make this work. I'm just going to blend this a little bit more towards the brighter eyeshadow, so it's, you know, a little bit more blended. Going back into my glitter liner, and I'm going to, you know, make everything look a little bit more glittery again. I think with the base on and with lashes on, I think I'm going to like it. It's a bit different. Okay, let's do it. First of all, this look is a pain in the ass. Oh my god, it took me way longer than I planned, but okay. Okay, you know, maybe we can do something really cool with this. I have a vision, you know? Okay, I'm going to use this primer from Becca, which I haven't used in a long time. This is the First Light Priming Filter Primer. It's a very long name for a primer. Now I'm going in with my Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear from L'Oreal in the shade 260. I couldn't use this for a very long time because it was too dark. And now I can. And I'm going to use my Morphe blender, which I also used for the first time, but you know, sometimes life doesn't go as planned. Make sure I don't touch my brows or eyes. Now I'm going in with my Summer Kusami concealer in 2.5. I'm going to use this shade kind of as a corrector slash highlighter. And then I'm going to use the shade 1.5, which is a little bit, you know, a little bit lighter. This is such a good concealer. It's so creamy, thick, but it's not like, it's not cakey. It's definitely not like on top of your skin. You can really blend it. I'm blending it with my Morphe brush. Now I'm taking the lighter shade. This is 1.5 because, you know, I like to be a little bit brighter underneath my eyes. I'm also going to highlight with this. Before I'm going to blend all of this, I'm also going to use this Tantour product from Huda Beauty, my favorite product at the moment. The only thing that's kind of like meh is that I don't think there's enough product in it because, you know, or maybe I use too much. Okay, I use a lot. And I'm using my Makeup Addiction contour brush. Feels weird doing it for like the second time because I always feel like, I don't know, it's unnatural to repeat yourself, you know what I mean, in the same spontaneous way, which is just weird. Oh, you see we have kind of like a vision when it comes to the eyes. Oh, once you put the base on, I feel like everything changes. Look at that. I may have to blend this a little bit better. I don't know what that was. I may have to blend this a bit better, but other than that, I'm going to blend the concealer with my Morphe sponge. Like that. And I'm blending the contour with this, you know, Tantour brush from Huda Beauty. Since this look is quite extreme, I am going to bake with the banana bread powder from Huda Beauty, just because we have quite a lot going on our face, like thick products, and I think a normal compact powder is not going to be enough to set everything, you know? So I'm not going to bake for too long because, you know, I don't really like to bake for too long because I feel like it looks weird. Also going to mattify my forehead with this. Nose. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Summer Kusami. This is a face palette with a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer. And I'm just going in. This is the first time I'm going to use it, by the way. This is SK222. I'm just going to set the places where we've contoured. You see this spot right here? That is what happened the first time I did my makeup and I had to remove everything. I don't know what it is. Is it the primer? I blame the oil, but maybe it's just the primer because I've used the same primer. I'm also going to use the highlighter in this palette, which is this one, with my BH Cosmetics brush in, doesn't have a number. It's like a highlighting brush. Okay, let's go in. That looks nice. It's kind of subtle and you can build it, but I do think it looks natural. You know what I mean? Instead of like, I like it. Going back to this palette, I'm going to use this beautiful blush. Loving the color. Okay, now I'm taking my Urban Decay brush. This is Black Market. I believe this is, oh no, it's matte. Is it matte? Oh, it has a tiny bit of a shimmer to it, but I'm just going to put it on the outside of the eye, connecting to this line right here. And I'm just going to blend it a bit. And now going back into the pencil, I am going to, you know, make the front a bit darker. I think it looks super cool and mysterious to leave the middle blank. Don't you guys think so? I think so. I think we have to do it. Oh, I cannot wait to go to the hairdresser. I have an appointment next week because this hair is going like, we have 20 colors in my hair right now. On my lips, I'm going to use one of my favorite shades in the whole world, which is Angelus. That's going to look so beautiful. This is from Ofra. And I'm going to use my MAC Whirl lip liner for my lip liner. Lip liner. Oh my god, this look actually reminds me of the Kim K look a little bit, because she had that, but she had like dark, light, dark, but this is more like, oh, but you know, maybe I was, in my unconsciousness, maybe I was a little bit inspired by her look. With the tan I have on right now, this is not going to work. Okay, I think Sao Paulo is a better shade. Maybe if we just mix it. Yes, 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 yes. Whew, I'm going to add some dramatic falsies and then we're done. This took me so incredibly long. So I applied these super dramatic lashes. These are Tati lashes in TL4. I felt like, I don't know, I felt like I needed to do something dramatic because the eyes are so dramatic. And I thought, honestly, I thought this look was not going anywhere. But we managed to fix it. I hope you guys like this super dramatic look, something else, something different than what I usually do, you know, usually with my neutral looks and my nude lips, which I can't get enough of, but you know what I mean. So it's a bit different. I hope you guys appreciate it. I hope you appreciate the struggle. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on my Instagram, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.